the UP defenses, they're already so high.
Because look at those two chains that are closer to your screen. And that's the first block, the first dash. It's paid dividends for UP Yodhas as they pick up the first successful tackle in this first half, which will be celebrated by Sriram Finance.
Oh, big raid this one. He's a tall raider. He's strong. He's got speed. They're counting. Is this 2 or more?
And ladies and gentlemen, Gagan Gowda might have just got us
3 points.
on HP Racer Gen 6 Super Raid.
Again, another very strong, very fast customer. Very used to unsettling defenses, but not that time. That is a brilliantly laid trap, and Ashu makes up for the error he committed just a while back. Two-man defense. Bhavani Rajput. Oh!
1 point.
Easy.
UP Yodhas. JC
As
number
getting
20
rid
out.
of a zit on a recalcitrant cheek. Yeah, well spotted, Suren. Really well spotted. They've seemed really tentative today. Not just in defense, but in raid too.
Massive moment.
Bonus point.
What that tackle does is not only will that be a point, it's also the all-out.
Gagan Gowda really doesn't need to take any risks here. They can play with the clock at this point. They have... Oh, a rough super tackle. It's been pulled off by Mohit Goyat and Dada Pujari clinging on desperately for dear life. He's got his hand around Gagan Gowda's thigh. Mohit Goyat has his ankle firmly in his grasp. Gagan Gowda is still struggling. He really managed to pull the both of them across the midline. Remember, he's not Devang Dalal. He does not have the same strength. He's flagging. The raid is over. It's a two-pointer. A rough super tackle. A brilliant Magar. Jakar.
And it's Pankaj Mohite, the DOD specialist. 4 defenders on the mat. He's trying to find that space. He's trying to find his footwork. Tries that kick, that toe touch, and gets his man.
Ashu is off the mat. Odds on Pankaj Mohite here. Big, tall. Oh, no. 2-pointer.
I think what he did was completely disillusioned the defense. First he left.
12 and 10 out.
Seems a little clueless, a little lost. Oh, he went through them. He went through them. How brilliant was that from Gagan Gowda? That was a lesson in geometry, ladies and gentlemen.
And look at that.
JC number 7 and 12
And
out.
HP Racer Gen 6 Super Raid.
Get the entire UP team off the mat, and once again,
1 point. Pune
it
Republicans.
seems
JC number
like the
44 out.
defender just sacrificed himself, saying, we have Gagan Gowda, no stress. In the last 5 minutes, despite being down to 2, 3, 1, the UP Yodhas are 2 points more than the Puneri Palt, and Gagan Gowda has 1 more. I think there is a very soft feather touch on Aryavardhan Nawale's left thigh, outer left thigh.
Review successful. Bonus point UP Yodhas. All out 1 plus 2 3 points. Pune
Finally,
Captain, you have written our review.
Breakthrough by Pankaj Mohite. He has to try for either a quick point, which he does. It's almost like Ashu has sacrificed himself. It's Bhavani Rajput. Oh, it's a do-or-die raid. But I'm saying that even if he doesn't cross the balk line,
It'll still just be 1 point.
they will win by the 1 point.
35-33. Just for all our viewers. Even in this do-or-die raid, if Bhavani Rajput doesn't get a point, Pune will still go on to lose this match by 1 point. And I think that is what is about to happen. It doesn't really matter because UP Yodhas
Right save.
on the
1
back
point.
of that
UP
Bhavani
Yodhas.
Rajput do-or-die raid pick up a point. And nervy moments in the very
Match
end.
over.
And it is UP Yodhas who prevail. Yeah, he's a proper Yodha. He got 15 in the previous game. He's got 15 again tonight.